Huwag nyong i-click itong agree na nakikita nyo dito sa phone na to. Unang-una, hindi naman talaga ako yung nag-install ng Pholax na application or feature dito sa phone na to. And hindi ko rin alam, bigla na lang tong lumitaw. So, or possible din na siya, bloatware, or pre-installed na siya nung bilhin natin yung Infinix and ngayon ko lang siya napansin. Ayan guys, good morning. Yung date and time ng recording natin today is November 18, 2024, Monday, 4:40 AM Manila time. Okay? Now, yung point of discussion natin today is about the Infinix mobile phone and yung isang application or feature na ang pangalan ay Pholax. Okay? Pag-uusapan natin yan ng masinsinan dito sa video na to. Yung reason kung bakit ako biglang naparecord or nag-decide mag-upload ng video na to kasi nung magta-try akong restart nitong Infinix phone na gamit natin, before we move on pala guys, mas okay kung ma-specify natin yung exact model ng phone natin. So makikita natin dito under settings, kapag ka-clinic natin itong about phone or my phone, makikita nyo dito yung ginagamit nating Infinix model is Infinix 030 5G. And makikita natin dito as of the date and time ng recording natin, updated ito to its latest version 14.5.0. Okay? So, yung nag-trigger sa akin para pag-usapan ito is nung nag-try akong mag-click ng power button sa Infinix natin para i-restart yung phone kasi kaka-update lang ng phone natin and naglinis tayo nung mga files and then yung nag-clean tayo ng mga junk para ma-tune up yung phone natin and mas mabilis lagi siya kapag ginagamit. Nung nag-click ako ng power button, ito yung nakita ko guys Ayan. Makikita nyo dito, pagka-clinic natin ng mabilisan yung phone natin, may prompt kagad siya. Welcome to Pholax. I'm your voice assistant. Press and hold the power button for 0.5 seconds to wake up and 2 seconds to turn off your phone or to turn off the phone. I can help you easily control your phone, generate summaries, and create text. Try it now. And then makikita natin dito merong notice. Yung pinaka-importante lang dito sa notice is itong highlighted in green na hyperlinks about privacy policy and user agreement. Okay? So ako, ang gusto kong message na sabihin dito is hanggat maaari, based on my own preference lang guys, mag-research rin kayo, pero huwag nyong i-click itong agree na nakikita nyo dito sa phone na to. Unang-una, hindi naman talaga ako yung nag-install ng Pholax na application or feature dito sa phone na to. And hindi ko rin alam, bigla na lang tong lumitaw. So, or possible din na siya, bloatware, or pre-installed na siya nung bilhin natin yung Infinix and ngayon ko lang siya napansin. So, ang ginagawa ko dito, kinakancel ko siya. Okay? Ayan, cancel. Ulitin natin. Mabilisang 0.5 seconds, lalabas siya. And talagang yung kulay pa nung agree talagang gustong-gustong ipaklik sa'yo, di ba? Pero ako hindi ko yan i-click. Ipapaliwanag ko later on, okay? Ngayon, kung gusto nyong i-restart or i-power off yung inyong mga Infinix device, specifically yung model ng Infinix na binigay natin kanina, itong gamit kong phone, tagalan nyo ng konti yung pag-hold dito sa power button ng phone para ma-bypass ninyo or ma-skip itong page na to from Pholax, okay? Ako, hindi ko talaga personally to gusto, lalong-lalo na nung nabasa ko yung privacy policy and yung user agreement, okay? So, for example, i-click ko siya ng more than about 2 seconds. Sige, bilang tayo. 1, 2. Nakikita ninyo, doon lang tayo magkakaroon ng option to restart or power off itong device. Okay? So, balik muna tayo. Cancel lang yan. Huwag nyong i-click yan Okay, kapag bumalik tayo sa settings ng phone natin, pag nag-scroll tayo, yung Pholox na feature dito, pag clinic natin, nakalagay dito, get to know Pholox. Okay, so ano ba talaga to? So nakalagay dito, multiple wake up methods. Wake me up, try it now. Hindi ko i-click yung try it now na yan, bahala ka dyan. Operate with voice commands. And then, quickly retrieve high quality information. And then, summarize images, documents, and links. So to put it simply, para siyang AI assistant for your phone. Specifically itong Infinix model na meron tayo. Pholox Voice. Okay, ayan. So kapag ka-clinic pala natin itong Pholox Voice, same yung makikita natin kapag ka-clinic natin itong power button for 0.5 seconds. Okay, gets. Meron din siyang Pholox Translate. Okay, thank you for your trust and using our products and services. Ayun, ito guys, oh. To provide our products and services, it needs to access to the internet and require some permissions of your phones and also needs to collect and use some data of you. Medyo concerned ako dito. The purpose of our processing is to improve user experiences and to provide services to you. The legal basis we process your data is your consent or the applicable law. By clicking agree, you agree to the terms as stated in our user agreement and privacy policy. Okay. Pag clinic natin yung privacy policy, same lang rin yan dito. Kapag clinic natin yung uh, power button sa phone natin. So, i-click natin itong privacy policy na hyperlink under notice. Pholox Assistant Privacy Policy. Last updated effective date, yung version number. Kung same rin yung Infinix model na ginagamit ninyo, i-check nyo na lang ito. Pero yung gusto nating i-focus dito, try to read this one at your own pace. Pero yung gusto kong i-highlight dito is itong nabasa ko kanina. Ayan, ito. This privacy policy will help you understand the following contents. How we collect and use your personal information. Ayan. Pwede rin natin i-check later itong yung number 4. How we share, transfer, and disclose your personal information. So, puntahan natin tong number 1. Ayan, no? Kita nyo yan, no? Naka-bold talaga.